Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Fabric mod on Minecraft, right? So it's quite easy and straightforward. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to Minecraft, select latest release here and hit play. And wait until latest release will be launched on Minecraft, right? And then after it launched, you can close the game. So latest version should be installed on your computer, right? Then the next step, open up browser, and then you need to just go fabricmc.net. You end up on this page, and then you just need to press download here, and then select download for Windows. Save it to whatever you like, and then here we need to wait until download process is done. After it's done, you should see this window here to install Fabric, right? It will be the Minecraft version and then loader version and more. So what you need to do here first, before you install, completely close Minecraft and you should get no errors. Minecraft launcher or Minecraft, close it. And also you can get error if your Minecraft version is not latest. So if you not did the previous step that I showed you, when you just run Minecraft on latest version, you can get errors. So keep in mind that. Then you just need to hit install and wait until installation process is done. And after it's done, you should get this message here. And after Fabric is installed, you can launch Minecraft launcher and Fabric loader should be here, and then you can select it. If for some reason a Fabric loader do not appear here, what you need to do here, you need to go to installations, then make sure modded is selected, then select new installation, give it a name. So for example, Fabric. Then on version, you just need to write Fabric, and it should be Fabric loader. In my case, latest version is 1.21.4. I need to select that, and then you just need to install. But for me, I don't need to do so because there is a Fabric loader here. So I just need to select it and then hit play. Understand? And just hit play. And if you're wondering how you can install mods, I will show you that too. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to fabricmc.net, and then you should be on download page here. And then what you need to do here is to select Fabric API. And then you just need to press download, right? Download. And latest release should be here, and then you can download file. Also, you can go to files, and then latest release will be on the top, and just you can click on it and then hit download, right? And save it to whatever you like. In my case, I will save it on desktop. So Fabric API is just downloaded. Now we need to open a mods folder. So you just need to press Windows key or an R, or just simply on search, write run. Then on this section here, you need to write %update %, hit OK. Then you need to look for .minecraft folder, here, press on that. Then you need to look for mods folder, right? And then you just need to drag and drop API here, Fabric API that you just downloaded. And then you can close it and launch Minecraft launcher, the game, and it will be in the modded version. If for some reason there is no mods folder, you can just create one just by right click on it, just select new, select folder, and then just write mods. And now you just need to open up Minecraft launcher, and then here it will be a modded version of the game. So if we launch the game here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, Java Edition, and then here, as you can see here, we can hit play, and it will be modded version. So as you can see here, it's modded. Now you can download mods and drag it to mods folder, and it will appear in the game itself, right? So yeah, that's basically it.